Hey, high levelers, Rayo Daniel here. I've got some super exciting news that I found out from High Level last week. They're continuing to move forward with really pushing their AI inside of High Level, so much to the point that they really want to give you as many free resources as possible to help you build your own AI agency. Now, what I want to do is come here in this particular video and show you how you can get access to the AI Employee Playbook. Okay, this is a new free course that High Level has just come out with, and I've got it available now. I'll show you how you can get access to it through our community in just a little bit. But it's a new free course that they're offering, as well as a new AI challenge that will give you both in-person training for 5 days, as well as a course to help you build an AI agency, all using High Level. And I'm super excited to bring it to you. Let's hop in and take a look. So first of all, here is the AI challenge. Now, don't worry about copying the link. I'm going to have the link to this AI challenge here in the video, so don't worry about that. But by all means, this is a free challenge. Sign up with it. Use the link below. That's tied to my affiliate account. And then when you sign up with my affiliate account through this, if you choose to, then you'll get all my bonuses and so forth and all that other kind of good stuff. But realistically, I want to just be able to give you this option to take the free course as well as this 5-day training, because you're going to get in-person training where you'll get your questions and answers along with everybody else that's looking to build their own AI agency. And you're going to get access to a course that's going to give you a little bit more information and some additional resources where you continue to grow and build an AI agency for those people that are looking to hop on the AI bandwagon, because that's really hot right now. It's a hot topic going on, and a lot of businesses are going to want to start utilizing this in their business to start saving time, money, and to start growing their business. So right now, again, take the 5-day challenge. I will have the link in the video, but let me show you the course that you also get with this as well. Now, I have incorporated this course into my SAAS JUMPSTART course that I offer. Now, I do have a training that I give away for free for those people that haven't signed up for High Level. You're looking to sign up. You're looking to learn what features of High Level you could sell and how you can start building a business. Not necessarily just an AI business, though. How you could sell other parts of High Level, the low-hanging fruit. Not like the really detailed stuff, but how you can really get started with clients. Things like selling websites, selling social media ads, selling AI, selling reputation management, things like that. These are all very easy things that you can get started with in High Level that are very, honestly, easy to get started. You just need somebody to show you what it is inside of High Level that you're looking to sell and how to start building a service around it. So right now, again, I've built this SaaS Jumpstart course. I'm continuing to try to add value to this. And I'm happy to say that we have now included the AI Employee Playbook into this SaaS Jumpstart course, because High Level, being an affiliate that I am, they did allow me to get access to the course. So now I can present that course to you and offer it. Now, again, this isn't something exclusive through me, just to let you know, all disclosures aside, this is something that you can get from High Level as well. But right now, I'm just offering it as an opportunity to get not only the AI Employee Handbook, but you also get everything else in my SaaS Jumpstart course. So let's take a look at this. So this right here is my portal. Now, my community area, things like that. I only have 2 communities right now. I have my SaaS Jumpstart community, which is located right here. But then I also have my affiliate support community. Now, just to let you know, the affiliate support community is only available to the people that sign up under me as an affiliate. That's a different level group, and I won't be discussing that in this video. But if you want to get access to this, you can go to portal, P-O-R-T-A-L, portal.rayodaniel.com. That right there, you can sign up and gain access to the SaaS Jumpstart. But I also do have the SaaS Jumpstart training link in the video, in the description of this video as well. So right now, here's what you do. You sign up for the SaaS Jumpstart course. If you already a member of the SaaS Jumpstart course, you don't need to sign up because you already have access to it. You just go in here immediately and you can gain access to the AI Employee Handbook, Playbook right away. So you're going to go inside of the community. Here's what we got. We've got a little over 3,000 people in here right now, continuing to learn. And I just ask questions about High Level, how they make money, and things like that. But what you're going to do is go to the Learning tab here. Now here you're going to see right at the very top, I put the AI Employee Playbook. So this right here, it is a free, notice, free. I'm not trying to sell you anything here, guys. If you've known me, if you watch my videos, I give an absolute ton away for free. And all I just ask is that at some point during your High Level journey, if you do join High Level, think of me as an affiliate, because this is a way that I get compensated for running the channel in my business, or at least one of them. So right now, just think of me from either joining High Level, sign up under my affiliate link. You do get a 30-day free trial below, not the 14-day trial you get from High Level. But you also get, if you're looking to upgrade to Agency Pro, if you already have an account and you're looking to go to the Pro level, you can upgrade using my link below. Even if you want to use the AI Employee feature, if you're looking to sign up for the unlimited plan, you can put in my reference code, and I'll include my reference code in the video below too. But it's just Ray O'Daniel, R-A-Y-O-D-A-N-I-E-L, all is lowercase, no spaces, and that is my referral code. So right now, if you use my referral code, you do get access to all of my affiliates and training and bonuses if you sign up for AI Employee as well. So anyway, that's just my little plug for myself. Just think of me when you're looking at your High Level journey along the way, and I would appreciate it. Thanks so much. So right now here in the AI Employee Playbook, we're going to go ahead and click on this and open it up. Now, this right here is just all the different courses that you get. Here's the introduction. Welcome to SaaSpreneurship. And again, if you're not familiar with that term, High Level uses SaaSpreneur. They do have trainings a couple of times a year for people that want to build an agency, and they call these people SaaSpreneurs. So that's just a term that Highlevel has used inside of their community to just represent people that are selling software as a service using the GoHighLevel platform. So right now you get an introduction, all the tech set up here. Now I also have a lot of videos on this as well. So I haven't gone over this entire course yet, guys. So just forgive me. I did just get access to this a few days ago and I just had to get it imported and do all the tech stuff to make this available to you and get it ready. But I haven't gone through all of it. But if you're interested in more of these particular trainings, I do have a ton of stuff on my YouTube channel as well that you're currently watching. So if you're looking to get some more in-depth training, I typically go pretty deep and have a couple of explanations on my videos just to give you ideas about how you can use this type of technology in certain situations. So right now, this is what you're going to get. You're going to start with a trial. Ultimately, if you're going to start doing this, you're going to need to have a Highlevel software. So go ahead and click on start your trial. Again, please use my affiliate link. You do get 30 days with this. Create your own agency and sub account. How do you get your website domain set up? Get your phone number for all the AI stuff that you're looking to do. Customize your website template. Here you're going to be dealing with the voice AI and the new one, setting up a demo. Because right now, if you're selling AI, if you're going to build an AI agency, then you should have a demo site. You should have something that you can offer, like a phone number, even to your own sub account, that when somebody calls that particular phone number, that the AI employee answers and does its thing, just to give your potential clients an idea of what you're selling and what you can offer them and see all the automations that happen. Because you can sit back and collect their information on this demo call and actually send them a text message that's pretty cool that says, hey, hello, George. That could be your client's name because the AI agent's going to ask you for your name and your email address and things like that. And then, hey, George, it was very nice for you to try our demo. We can't wait for you to be a client of ours or something like that. Just a really cute message that if somebody ever wanted to try it out, because keep in mind, you could set up a demo inside of your account with just a phone number. And then if you start dealing with email marketing, you can email somebody and just say, hey, if you want to try this, why don't you call this number? This is our demo number. And try out what exactly that we're offering you and see how it works. And that's a great demo because then they could do that outside of talking to you, understand what it's like. They get all this nice messaging and text messaging on their phone, follow-ups on their emails and things like that. So it's just a good way to onboard somebody without having to have them call you to get a sales call. And then they'll contact you later because they're like, man, your demo was great. I'd definitely love to have that in my business. So anyway, that's just a really good way of having something set up. So they show you how to build a demo, how to do all your pipeline, setting up all your calendars, getting paid, how to do all your prospecting, and then your fulfillment. So guys, this is a full-blown course. Highlevel did not tweak out on anything. They wanted to give you all the lessons on here so that everything that you would need to get set up, conversation AI, reviews AI, funnel, and website AI, everything inside of AI Employee. Now, just because the course goes over AI Employee doesn't mean that you have to sell everything that the AI Employee has. It's just with AI Employee, if you're going to be doing the unlimited version of the AI Employee, then you get access to all this other stuff. So why not try to include it in your services if possible? So guys, right now, I wanted to introduce this to you. I'm excited. And when I heard about this, they said, hey, Ray, we're going to give you access to this AI Employee Playbook so that you can then push this out and give it out to everybody that's in your ecosphere or your YouTube community. I'm like, man, that's awesome. I can't wait. So right now I finally did it. Finally got the video up. The training is yours. Sign up for the SAAS JUMPSTART course below. I hope it does you well. I hope everything treats you well. Thank you so much for hanging there with me on this video. One thing though, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I have a lot of cool videos that my purpose here is simply to help you be successful in Highlevel. That's it. And again, I just hope you'll remember me on your Highlevel journey to help me out along the way as an affiliate. Guys, thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.